Ta-da! I came here with my farm animals. Do you want to meet them? Look, what is it? Horse. Neigh! Horse. Bah! Sheep. Moo. Cow. Cluck, 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 cluck. Hen. Oink, 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 oink. Pig. Quack, 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 quack. Duck. Okay, let's say, come out, horse. Neigh. Come out, horse. Where are you? Neigh. Neigh. Who is calling me? Oh, it's me. Hello, horse. Oh, hello. I am a horse. I'm so happy to meet you. 만나서 반가워. But I need to leave now. 나 가야 돼. Oh, where are you going, horse? 어디 가는데? Oh, I'm going to the farm to meet my friends. 나 친구 만나러 농장에 가야 해. Oh, really? I want to go there with you. 나도 가고 싶은데. Okay, let's go together. Let's go. La 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 la. Ta-da! The horse on the farm say neigh, neigh, neigh. Wow! Oh, the farm animals are on a farm. 농장에 동물들이 있어요. Okay, today. I want to. Oh, I want to eat too. I love it. They are talking. They are talking. Can you hear it? Oh, the farm animals are going to do something fun. 뭐 재밌는 일이 있나 봐요. Okay, let's go into the story. Bye-bye. The hens on the farm say cluck, 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 cluck. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, pew. Oh, pew. Oh, who is he? 누구예요? He is a farmer. 농부 아저씨예요. Hello, farmer. Oh, hello. Oh, he looks so tired. 조금 힘들어 보이시는데. Look, there are bales of hay. Oh, let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. The farmer works so hard. Good job, farmer. 내가 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 5개 다 모아놓은 거야. You have to take a rest. 조금 쉬어야 되겠어요. Okay, bye-bye, farmer. Oh, bye-bye, friends. 얘들아, 농장에서 재밌게 놀다 가렴. Okay, bye-bye. The horse on the farm say, neigh, 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 neigh. Who is talking? Who is it? 아까 그 말이네요. He is a horse. Horse. It's not yours. 이거 네 거 아니잖아. It's farmer's hay. 농부 아저씨가 여기다가 놓은 건데. 네, that's okay. I like this. I like this. What did the horse say? I like this. I like this. Oh my goodness. The horse is eating farmer's hay. Oh, how many bales of hay are there? 1, 2, 3, and 4. We need to call the farmer. 우리 농부 아저씨한테 빨리 이야기하러 가자. Okay? Okay, call the farmer first. Let's go. 농부 아저씨 어디 있어요? Farmer! Farmer! The sheep on the farm say ba ba ba. Wow! Hello, sheep. Oh no! That's not yours. 이거 네 거 아니잖아. It's farmer's hay. Oh, that's okay. I like this. Okay, everyone, repeat after me. I like this. I like this. Oh my goodness. How many bales of hay are there? 1, 2, and 3. Oh my, we need to hurry to find the farmer. Farmer, 농부 아저씨, 동물들이 다 해를 먹어요. The cow on a farm say moo, 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 moo. Hello, moo. Oh my, it's not yours, cow. It's farmer's hay. 이거 농부 아저씨 거야. Oh, I like this. Moo. Oink, oink. Oh, can you see that? Whose hand? Is this cow's hand? Oh, no, I don't know. Okay. Oh, how many bales of hay are there? 1, 2. Okay, we need to find the farmer first. Okay? Farmer, 농부 아저씨, 동물 친구들이 다 hay를 먹어요. Okay. The hands on the farm say cluck, 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 cluck. Oh my goodness, it's not your hay. 이거 네 거 아니잖아. 어떡해, it's farmer's hay. That's okay, I like this. 나 이거 너무 좋아. Let's call the farmer out loud. 우리 안 되겠어. 더 크게 불러볼까요? Farmer! Farmer! Oh, the farmer on the farm say, Oh my gosh. Oh, why are you calling me? 나 왜 불렀어? Oh, the bales of hay are gone. 다 없어졌어요. Where are they? Where are they? 어디 간 거지? Oh, the farmer is looking for his hay. Oh my. Do you think the farmer can find them? 찾을 수 있을까요? No, they are eating already. 벌써 다 먹어버렸잖아요. And there is one more animal who took the farmer's hay too. 왠지 돼지가 또 먹을 것 같은데? Oh, I like this. I like this. Oh, it was you, pig. pig, 네가 다 먹어버렸네. Look at the farmer. He looks so sad. All of you need to say sorry. 다 미안하다고 해야지, 얘들아. 네, sorry. moo, sorry. Cluck, cluck, cluck. Sorry, sorry, sorry. Wink, wink, sorry. Sorry. That's okay. Wow, 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 wow. Okay. Did you like the story? Yes. Good job.